Pakon na karon. Yun ko broadcasting judoy. Broadcasting judoy. Ay, tumigil na kayo. Awan. Muna sa kong si Dwight. Pushing. Wala ka ng takas ngayon, boy. Bitawan mo nga ako. Asa naman yung stories? One v one, no? 1v1 ba? Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is I live in City of Nicolas, Barangay Montalegre, and I am 11 years old.
안녕하세요. My name is Jenky Pagdahel and I am 13 years old.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Rin Mateo and I live in Barangay Anislag. Hello, my name is Gina Carolina Pumatino. I live in Santa Teresa, Malite.
Wow. Asa na mo to? Dali. Introduce yourself. Imong name.
My name is Jacques Lepin Siliakay. I live in Baptist. Baptist. Basta ambot ay!
Thank you.